Hi guys, you welcome back to Sew with Abby channel. This video is about making this ruche skirt. If this is what you are interested in, then keep watching and let's get started. These are the materials I'll be making use of, and I already folded my fabric into 4 equal parts. I didn't add zipper allowance because the fabric is quite stretchy. And for my skirt length, I'll be adding 1.5 inches for band, and from there I just measured my desired length and then I added some inches. So from the band I'll measure 9 inches down, I'll mark it, and then I'll rule an horizontal line. That is the hip line. From the band as well, I'll measure my skirt length, mark it, and rule an horizontal line as well. After doing that, the next thing to do is to measure my circumference. So I'll just divide my waist measurement by 4, and then my hip measurement divided by 4 as well. And then I'll go to this skirt length line, and then I'll deduct about 4 inches from my hip measurement, and then I'll divide it by 4 as well. This is because I want the down part to be fitted. Now I won't be adding any seam allowance because apart from the fact that the material is stretchy, I want it to be fitted, so I'll just cut it out. The next thing to cut out is the band. I already mentioned that the band is 1.5 inches, but I'll be making it 2 inches because I'll be adding half for seam allowance. So I'll make the length 2 inches and the wideness 28 inches. That is my waist circumference. Now I'll take the skirt to the sewing machine and join the sides. Okay guys, I joined the side, and the next thing I'm going to do is to flip the skirt over and then open up the joining because I want to create a casing for the drawstring. So I'm going to sew it down. I'm using pin to demonstrate how I'm going to sew it down. I'm going to sew it down like that. And then I'll do that to the other side as well. Alright guys, I already created my casing. This is it. And I did that to the other side as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the drawstring. So I'm going to be cutting out 1 inch. I'm going to be cutting out 4 pieces. I'll just cut it out and then I'll join it. Alright guys, this is the drawstring, and the next thing I'm going to do is to insert it into the casing already created. So watch me do it. Now the drawstring has been inserted on all sides. Last thing I'm going to do here is to join the band to the waist. I'm going to use pin to hold it before I take it to the sewing machine. Alright, let me go and join it and come back to show us. Okay guys, our ruche skirt is ready. Just going to pull on the drawstring to give that ruche effect. Okay guys, I can decide to leave it like this or give it a high-low effect or ruche it at both sides. Thanks for watching.